Unraveling the Mystery of Goose-flesh, a deep dive into English idioms. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore a fascinating English idiom, goose-flesh. This phrase might sound a bit strange at first, but it's actually a common and interesting expression in the English language. Let's dive in and discover what it means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. Goose-flesh, also commonly known as goosebumps or goose pimples, is a term used to describe a physical reaction your skin has under certain conditions. This reaction causes small bumps to appear on your skin, making it resemble the skin of a plucked goose, hence the name. But what causes this reaction? That's what we'll explore next. Goose-flesh is typically a response to cold temperatures or emotional reactions. When you feel cold, your body tries to keep you warm, and one way it does this is by causing your skin's hair to stand up, trapping more heat. The same reaction can occur when you experience strong emotions, like fear, awe, or even when you hear a particularly moving piece of music. It's your body's natural response to these stimuli. Now, how can you use goose-flesh in a sentence? Here are a few examples. The chilling ghost story gave me goose-flesh. When she heard the beautiful melody, she got goosebumps. The icy wind caused goose pimples to appear on my arms. Notice how the phrase can be used in different contexts, referring to both physical and emotional reactions. Interestingly, goose-flesh isn't just an English expression. Similar phrases exist in many languages and cultures, often with local variations. In English, the term goosebumps is more commonly used in American English, while goose pimples, or goose-flesh, might be heard more in British English. And that's all about goose-flesh. Isn't it fascinating how a simple phrase can have such interesting meanings and uses? We hope this video has been enlightening and that you can now confidently use goose-flesh in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with exciting discoveries. Keep exploring, and you'll find more intriguing phrases and idioms along the way. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.